Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your earbuds LG Tone Free Fit. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Now select the new ear tip size. I have only one, so I will show it to you on this one. And now attach it. And the second one. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!